Good morning to all your folks out there. Thank you so much for watching my channel again. And yesterday, we had a great day. The stock market was mostly green and it was amazing. Make me remember back in 2021 that we had the glory days, right? Most 2021 was amazing. So we had like NEO coming up over 12%. Amazon's up 2.40%. Facebook or Meta is being up over 4%, like 4.31%. CCL was up 8.75%, and of course Tesla was up 4.19%. That was a great day. And now the question that comes to my head, is this just like a cat bounce or we're gonna have another green day today? Let's cross our fingers that today is another green day, right? But despite this up and down the market, how can you make $1,000 a month in dividend stocks? Almost guaranteed, right? Because dividend stock, the company can pull at any time. I want in this video show two ways to get $1,000 a month in dividend and how much it will cost. One way is gonna be risky, the other way is gonna be more conservative. And the difference between these two ways is a lot of money, a lot of money. Watch all the way to the end so I can show you that. And no more delays. Hi, my name is Hugo and you're watching Crypto and Stock with Hugo. If it's your first time watching this channel, please come down here, subscribe. And if you like the content, don't hesitate, just smash the like button because the YouTube algorithm love that. And of course, share with family and friends. And don't forget to put some comments down. Let's jump straight to the stocks. The first way we're gonna do is gonna be the conservative way, that we're gonna use 3 stocks that have been paying dividends for years. And after we're done with these 3, we're gonna go to the 4th way, that is only 1 stock and how much that will cost, okay? 3 stocks now. Let's start with Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson market cap is $445 billion with PE ratio of 21.69 and a dividend yield of a 2.5%. That's about $4.24 per share. The 52 weeks high for Johnson & Johnson is $179.92. The past year, the stock has been up 6.42%. Despite all this that we had happened in the end of last year and the beginning of this year, the stock's still up 6.42%. And the stock price is $169.36. Let's see what the analysts say about Johnson & Johnson. Analysts believe that it's a moderate buy. With the stock price, what they believe the average stock price is $187.91. This gives you an upside of 10.95%. Some bullish analysts believe the stock can go as high as $215, and some bearish analysts believe the stock can go down as $163. I guess we're gonna see that. Johnson & Johnson has been paying dividends for 60 years consistently. And that's amazing. If you have a company that have been paying dividends for over a decade non-stop, you're pretty happy about that. Drink some water. So Johnson & Johnson is one of the 3 stocks on the conservative way. Johnson & Johnson is going to be responsible for 33% of the $1,000. So it has to make about $333. And to make $333 a month, you have to have 943 shares of Johnson & Johnson. And the cost for that is $160,000. The second stock we're going to talk about right now is Exxon Mobil. I talk about that all the time. So let's see how this stock's doing on the market. Exxon Mobil market cap is $350 billion, has a P ratio of 15.4 and a paid dividend yield of 4.25%. This gives you $3.52 per share per year. In the past year, this stock has been 34.3% up. That's crazy. And the price of the stock is $82.79. Let's see what the analysts think about this stock. Even with all that up, like 30% in the last year, they still believe it's a moderate buy. The average price that they have a consensus on is $86.55. That's give you still an upside of 4.54%. Some bullish analysts believe the stock can go all the way up to $110, and some bearish analysts believe that it will drop to $62. Exxon Mobil has been paying dividend for 38 years, and I don't think nothing's gonna change, especially with the situation in Russia and Ukraine. The stock price should continue to go up. If the situation there is solved, like the war's done, they definitely gonna probably plateau, maybe drop a little bit. But if you continue like that for the next few months, I still see this stock going more to the bullish side than the bearish side. So to get the $333, remember we're going to divide in 3 stocks. You're going to need 1,136 shares of ExxonMobil, and that's going to cost you about $94,000. The third stock we're going to talk about now is Abbvie. So to whoever doesn't know, Abbvie is an American public trade biopharmaceutical company founded in 2013. But it's not like just a founded. It's a spin-off of Abbott laboratory. So that's why whenever we talk about the dividends, I'm gonna say that it has been paying dividend for over 50 years because they were connected together. But Abbvie has been paying dividends at least since 2013. Let's put it this way. The market cap for Abbvie is $263 billion, has a P ratio of 23.06 with a dividend yield of 3.79%. This gives you $5.64 per stock per year. The past year, Abbvie has been up 37.81%, and the price of the stock today is $148.84. The analysts believe it's still a moderate buy despite all the upside that it has the past year. And the consensus for the stock price is $149.93. That's giving an upside of 0.73. Just remember there's a hefty dividend of 3.77%. Some bullish analysts believe the stock can go all the way up to $180. Some bearish analysts believe it's gonna go down to $115. We'll see who is right, who is wrong. To Abbvie, to make $333 per month, you will have to have 709 shares, and that's gonna cost you $105,000. So if you wanna make $1,000 out of these 3 stocks, it's gonna cost you about $350,000, a little bit over. Then you invest this $350,000, 33% in each stock, and you get $1,000 a month in dividend. Remember, dividends, they can cut at any time, but as well, you're not losing. You take this $1,000, continue with your stocks, and there's no problem. You keep growing with those stocks. These stocks are gonna grow for years and years to come, I believe. Okay, now let's talk about the other way. That's the risky. We're gonna get one stock that pays a lot of dividends. So the stock I'm talking about is AT&T. The market cap for AT&T is $166 billion. The P ratio is 8.42 and pays a dividend yield of, listen up, 8.64%. That's crazy. Each stock pay per year, each share pays per year $2.08. The last year, the stock being down 22.44%, have not stopped paying dividends yet, and the price of the stock is $23.26. The analysts believe that's a moderate buy. They believe the consensus of the average price is $29.43. That gives you an upside of 26.5%. Some bullish analysts, this stock should be at $41, and some bearish analysts believe that this stock can go down to $20. If you have AT&T stocks, you will need 5,770 shares to make $1,000 a month. That will cost only $134,000. So in the conservative way, you're gonna spend $350,000 to make $1,000 a month. In the risky way, you're gonna spend $134,000 to make $1,000 a month. Just remember, all the stock in the conservative, the past year, they've been up. AT&T has been down. So don't think just about the dividends. Think about the stocks, the fundamentals. You know, it is a good stock, it's not a bad stock. I own just a little bit of AT&T that I bought a time ago and never sold. But most of my investment goes toward stronger stocks, let's put it this way. The stocks that have been doing this for years and they're pretty stable. And before we're done, I just want to do a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, so before buy or sell any stocks, make sure to follow up a financial advisor. Don't buy a bunch of AT&T, Exxon Mobil, Johnson & Johnson, or Abbvie just because I said some in this video. Make sure you do your own study, okay? But that's it. Hope you make $1,000 by the time you retire. And I hope you guys have a good day. And let's pray for a good day, a green day in the market. If you watched the video so far and you forgot, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you like the video, smash the thumbs up. And don't forget to share with friends. And be sure to put some comment, okay? Have a good day. And I talk to you guys tomorrow.
Feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down.